Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 25, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. 7th row, column B and 5th row, we get 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in other 2 cells. Column D, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column C, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 2nd row and 3rd row, we have 8. 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C and 2nd row, we have 6. 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row and 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 9. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D and 3rd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 10th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. We can confirm 6 also here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 3 to 8. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade, column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9. Column F, column J, we have 9. 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column J, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 8. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 279. Column F, we have 219. So 219 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Then only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 219 we will confirm later. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 136. It will come in another these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 3. 5th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th row, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column G, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 2nd row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 2nd row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 2nd row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 6th row and 2nd grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row and 3rd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 3rd row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column G, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column E, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column E, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.